Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. Here is another creative yet effective and fun way to market yourself on a budget, boo boo kitties. Check this out. Boo boo kitties, I am a huge advocate of wearing your brand out loud and proud, and my package finally came. So I had to give myself a customized keychain with the QR code to my website because when I'm out and about, you guys, I can easily network. And what I love about this keychain is that it's textured, so it's not going to rub off whatsoever. So let's see if this works. If there's a potential customer who's ready to get life insurance, boom, instantaneously go straight to my website. You guys, I absolutely love this keychain. This is just another great marketing idea for your business if you're on a budget, please. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is hop into Canva. You're going to scroll over here, go to custom size and do 500 500. That's how I do my QR codes. And there's two ways for you to create a QR code. So all the way down below, you see right here where it says QR code, boom, you enter your link and you generate the code. The second way for you to do this, you guys, there's actually a third way. I'm only going to show you two ways. You can go to elements, then you type in QR code like this. It says QR code use app. You'll click use app and then you enter your URL. You copy and paste your URL. So I'm just going to enter my YouTube channel just for the purpose of this video. / the girl with the guy's name, gang. Then I'm going to go to generate code and you have your QR code, you guys, right? Really simple, really easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enlarge this as such, and then I'm going to go back over to elements because I kind of want like a bracket to say scan me. And since I have QR code already, you would just type in QR code for any of these graphics to pop up. And I'm going to do this second one here that I see that says scan me. But as you can see, you have a variety that you can choose from. So I'm going to go with this one, and I'm just going to make sure that it's on the outside of the actual QR code. But I'm going to move this down a bit and you can just adjust it to your liking, you guys. You can do any bracket that you want. You don't even have to do a bracket. You can also change the color of your bracket. Personally, I want my QR code to be black and white. It's just more professional personally. So if I do want to add a bit of color, I would rather do so with an outer bracket. So this is how I generate my codes for my websites, for my YouTube channel. And this is just a great way for you to really market yourself and promote yourself, boo boo kitties, on a budget. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I got my keychain, as well as how you can make t-shirts, or if you want to do like a tote bag or water bottle, XYZ. So I'm just checking to see if everything is copacetic. Okay, so when you are downloading this, you want to make sure that it is saved as a PNG and you tick off the transparent background. That way, the white box that this QR code is on doesn't show up. So if you want to export this design and send to someone else to add to a t-shirt, etc., then you would want to download this as a PNG. Now, how I got my keychains, you guys, I just typed in QR code keychain on Etsy. The good thing about this was, you guys, that the person that I purchased my keychains off of, I didn't have to provide a QR code. All I had to do was provide them with the link, and they created and generated a QR code. So that's one way that you can do it. But if you want to personalize it and do it yourself, then I would say that you can either do it directly through Canva, or you would export your QR code and place it on whichever designs you have, whether that's on Vistaprint or another external website. But if you want to do it through Canva, you just go to print with Canva and you'll have a product catalog, whether you can do business cards, flyers, stickers, sticky notes, hoodies, for example. Let's look into how these hoodies are looking. And I love this because it really gives you an example of what it would look like, you guys, as you can see here as such, right? But let's go back. I'm going to go back to print with Canva. You could just click this share button at the top to find this. And let's look at t-shirts. Let's just see how this looks. Let's go to t-shirts. And since this is a white background, I'm going to change this to white, but you can kind of just see it enlarged. There's nothing on the back. You can definitely put your QR code on the back. You see where it says front page 1? We're going to go to back and we're just going to add that image there. And then I'm going to scroll down. First, let's just double check to see. Okay, boom. And what you can do, you can scroll down and you can change the color of the top that you are playing around with. So let's change it to white. This looks much more clean and aesthetic, right? Because you don't see that white box. It just blends in with the white t-shirt. And this is just an easy way for you guys to market your YouTube channel if you're out on the go and you just have someone, you know, scan your QR code. I was looking at like their water bottles and stuff like that, but being that a water bottle is a cylinder shape, I'm not sure if you'll be able to capture the QR code as opposed to a flat surface. So I would personally recommend that if you're going to do a water bottle, you could just, you know, do your YouTube channel name with like some text, but I would do something that's like a flat surface so that people can just easily scan your QR code. You can also do a tote bag. I thought this was cute. Say if you're going grocery shopping or just kind of running a few errands and people are like, ooh, what's that? Okay. But what I would personally do, you guys, I wouldn't just have my QR code. I would have my YouTube channel to let people know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or, you know, not just the QR code. But I didn't do all of that for this video because you guys can do that yourself. And I was like, I need to enlarge this. I was just trying to see, to double check, Boo Boo Kitties, in case y'all want to do a little tote bag. I just wanted to see if we can enlarge this, and you definitely can. So you can enlarge your QR code just by going back to the design and adjusting. And yes, Boo Boo Kitties, I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.